Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel Shom Edu Hub. Now you can watch free online tutorials and learn from home without any need to go anywhere or pay huge fees for tuitions or coaching classes. Do give your valuable comments and suggestions so that I can keep bringing valuable contents for you. Now you can also clear your doubts in any topic of maths and science. Just leave a comment in the comment box and write which topic you want me to cover in the next video. I will try my best to help you in any ways. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that it reaches every student. I'll be happy to bring a positive change in someone's life. Today I'm going to cover a topic from class 10 science from NCERT syllabus. So today's topic is types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reaction. Basically there are 5 types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction. Secondly, decomposition reaction. Thirdly, displacement reaction. Fourthly, double displacement reaction. And fifthly, oxidation reduction reaction. So, combination reaction. Reaction in which two or more different reactants combine together to form a single product is known as combination reaction. In this example, you can see hydrogen and oxygen combine together to form water. So, this is a combination reaction in which two molecules, that means hydrogen and oxygen, combine together to form one single product or water. Secondly, decomposition reaction. Reaction in which a single reactant breaks down into two or more different products is known as decomposition reaction. Example, calcium carbonate breaks down or decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Displacement reaction. Reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its solution or compound is known as displacement reaction. In this case, zinc is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution, and so zinc produces zinc sulfate and copper is displaced and we get free copper. Reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between two different reactants is known as double displacement reaction. In this example, silver and chlorine from silver nitrate and sodium chloride comes together and forms silver chloride. Similarly, sodium from sodium chloride and nitrate ion from silver nitrate join together to form sodium nitrate. So, this ion combines with this, sodium combines with nitrate ion to form sodium nitrate. Again, silver combines with chlorine ion to form silver chloride. So in this case, there is displacement in two directions. So this is called double displacement reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. Those reactions in which there is one substance gets oxidized and the other gets reduced simultaneously is known as oxidation reduction reactions. In this case, zinc oxide is reduced to zinc and carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Since zinc oxide loses oxygen, therefore it is reduced, and carbon gains oxygen to form carbon monoxide, and so carbon is oxidized to form carbon monoxide.